Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel, your go-to destination for expert insights, comparison, and guidance to help you choose the right product with confidence. In this video, we dive into an in-depth comparison of Bosch's latest cordless vacuum cleaner lineup: Bosch Unlimited 6, Unlimited 7, Unlimited 10, and Bosch Serial 4 Flesso Gen 2. Whether you are new to Bosch or considering an upgrade, this guide is designed to help you make the smartest choice for your home and lifestyle. We begin with the Bosch Unlimited 6 BBX 611, a lightweight and versatile cordless vacuum, ideal for smart homes and apartments. It features a compact, ergonomic design with a slim profile and comfortable handling. Its 18 voltage battery delivers solid suction power for everyday cleaning, and it is completely bagless, making it easy to empty and maintain. With up to 30 minutes of runtime and a flexible nozzle, the Unlimited 6 is suited to light duty users who want convenience without excess bulk. The next up is the Bosch Unlimited 7 Aqua BCX71HYG. This vacuum cleaner takes versatility to the next level with a 2-in-1 design that combines vacuuming and mopping in one sleek unit, finished in a striking white and turquoise. This cordless vacuum is ideal for busy homes with mixed flooring. It features a powerful 18 voltage battery, washable filters, and smart brush management to switch seamlessly between tasks. The Aqua function is perfect for home with hard floors and pets, providing a deep clean without dragging out multiple appliances. Like Unlimited 6, it is also bagless, focusing on easy maintenance and hygienic handling. For those looking for smart tech, the Bosch Unlimited 7 BCX711, BCX712 step it up with auto-dictate functionality. These models intelligently adjust suction power depending on floor type, ensuring optimal battery usage and cleaning performance. Designed in modern finishes, including white and black, they bring not just performance but style as well. These vacuums are ideal for medium to large homes. They offer extended runtime, high suction efficiency, and comes with Bosch latest digital motor and all-floor high-power brush for deep cleaning across all surfaces. These vacuums are bagless, and their ergonomic folding tube design makes storage and maneuverability a breeze. At the top of the lineup is Bosch Unlimited 10 BCX1051 and BBS1041G. They are engineered for performance-focused households that demand long runtime and smarter features. The Unlimited 10 series boosts Bosch powerful 18 voltage exchangeable battery system, a robust turbo mode, and a real-time battery monitoring with advanced filtration and a sleek premium design. This vacuum suits larger homes with high cleaning demands. It is also bagless, ensuring efficient dust management with minimal hassle. The final one is Bosch Serial 4 Flesso Gen 2 BBH3285GB. A Midnight Sapphire offers an entry into Bosch cordless range with integrated accessories and an always-ready design. While it doesn't have the advanced features of Unlimited series, its practicality, built-in tools, and straightforward operation makes it a strong choice for casual or secondary use in small to medium spaces. So whether you are seeking a lightweight agility, mop and vacuum dual functionality, auto sensing intelligence, or maximum runtime and power, Bosch has a cordless vacuum tailored for your need. These vacuum cleaners deserve your attention. Thank you very much indeed.